Today we're shopping for similar ingredients in multiple meals. When shopping for asparagus, look for bright green stalks. The stems should be crisp and firm and should snap, not bend, if you do try to bend them. Look for dark green spear tips that have a hint of purple. This shows freshness. Avoid asparagus with yellow or dry tips because this indicates that the asparagus may be old. Chicken breasts and pieces should be pink in color, never gray or transparent. The chicken's fat should be yellow or white, and if it looks gray or pale, it's a sign the meat has been on the shelves for a while. Packaging of the chicken should be well wrapped without bloating or leaks. If you notice either of these or smell a foul odor, leave the package on the shelf. The Asian food aisle is where you'll find toasted sesame seeds and sesame oil. Keep an eye out for more videos coming with recipe demonstrations using these ingredients. Happy shopping!